Alright guys, so today we're going to be installing this Wefoka dash cam. They sent me to try out. See how hard this installation goes. See this little trim tab piece. Looks like you just reach in here, just pop that little tab loose there. It just pops down real simple. And then you're going to push down on your stock OEM cover. Comes off real simple. There's a couple of tabs right here that go downward to take off. The connector they sent with it looks like it just goes in line with the the OEM connector here for the I believe it's the radar cruise control. So just disconnect this. All right, it's got a little tab at the bottom you push up on and then pull back. As you can see right here, it's a little tab. It's in here like this, so you're gonna push up and then pull back to get that out. So this just goes in line with this. Just gonna connect that back into there. This back into your factory harness connection spot. We'll tuck that up out of the way. Then you have a spot to connect to the dash cam. It's going to be one on the driver's side that connects into your factory wiring harness. This is what's going to give it power. It's got a little tab there to follow along. All right, we got that connected. And then this one's going to be for your GPS unit that'll stick to the front windshield that they supply here with some 3M looking tape on it. Let's see if we can get this all tucked back in here. All right guys, what I've found out is when you're installing this, when you add in your connector here, you want to push it to the driver's side, up and over out of the way, and run your other cable from the camera down through the slit right here next to the rear view mirror. And that should give you enough room be able to tuck everything in. Just pull that over. Get that back flat. And then that's back in place. Pop the trim piece back in that comes with the Wefoka camera. Now we'll just add on our GPS 3M sided tape over here. We'll stick it next to the windshield here. That should be nice and out of the way there. Just gonna run my other cable up and over the top of the rear view camera here. Pretty simple install. We'll take a look at it from the other angles, but all in all, not very hard to do yourself. I mean, it's simply just popping the plate out, popping the other one down, disconnecting one connection and running in line and putting everything back in place. Really not a bad install at all. Got the GPS wire running up and over the top. I was able to tuck it in nicely. Like I said, all the wires need to be pulled towards the driver's side to be able to tuck everything in nicely once it's installed. See the camera here, it looks very nice and factory. I don't even know this is an OEM.